Hello students, welcome back. Today we are doing fractions exercise 3C. This is found on page number 53 and we are with question 3, subtract. First question, subtract 2 from 2 by 3. So whenever you see the word from, what comes after that should be written first. So here let's begin by writing 2 by 3 first. So 2 by 3 minus 2. So this is how it is, 2 by 3 minus 2. We are subtracting 2 from 2 by 3. Now let's give this a denominator 1. Now here they are unlike fractions because denominators are different. So we follow the same rule as for addition. We have to find their LCM. Now the denominators are 3 and 1. When one of the denominators is 1, the other number will automatically become the LCM. So the LCM here is 3. Now let's continue. 3 into 1 is 3. So we multiply 2 also by 1. 2 ones are 2. Now let's go to the next fraction. The denominator is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So we multiply 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. So what do we have here? 2 minus 6, that is plus 2 minus 6. Now we follow the rules of integers. When signs are different, one is a plus sign, one is a minus sign. When signs are different, we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 and the denominator is 3. So now here we can convert. We can convert 4 by 3 to a mixed number. So 4 we can divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 4 minus 3 is 1. So if this is a mixed number, we write the quotient as a whole number, remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator. So here we have minus 1 by 3. This is our answer. Question 2, subtract 1 by 8 from 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 should be written first, minus 1 by 8. Now as you can see, they are like fractions because denominators are the same. So we can have the same denominator, you don't have to find the LCM. So we just have to subtract the numerators as it is. No change. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and the denominator is 8. Now 4 by 8 can be reduced to the lowest term. We can divide both by 2 or by 4. Use the highest common factor. So divide both by 4 and let's see what we are getting here. 4 ones are 4 and here 4 twos are 8. So we have got 1 by 2 as our answer. Question 3. Subtract minus 2 by 5 from 2 by 5. So let's write what comes after from first, that is 2 by 5. And we have to subtract minus 2 by 5. So I'm putting another bracket here. Minus 2 by 5 to separate the two minus signs. Now let's remove the brackets. So this will be 2 by 5. Now before you open the bracket, see what is before the bracket. So the sign before the bracket is minus. So this will change to plus. So now this becomes plus 2 by 5. Here again we can see that they are like fractions because denominators are the same. So we write the same denominator and we just have to add the two numerators. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 by 5. So our answer to this question is 4 by 5. Question 4. Subtract minus 3 by 7 from 3 by 7. So 3 by 7. This is coming after the word from, minus the other one that has a minus sign. Minus 3 by 7. So we are subtracting these two. So now 3 by 7 I'll write as it is. Now I'm going to remove the brackets. So let me see the sign before the bracket. It's minus. So this will become plus. So I'm going to write here plus 3 by 7. Again, these are like fractions because denominators are the same. So we write the same denominator and we just have to add up the numerators. 3 plus 3 is 6 and the denominator is 7. So the answer is 6 by 7. Question 5. Subtract 0 from minus 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 minus 0. When we subtract 0 from anything, we get back the same number. So we get back minus 4 by 5. Question 6. Subtract 2 by 9 from 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 minus 2 by 9. Now you can see these are unlike fractions. So we have to make the denominators equal by finding the LCM. So 5 and 9, we are finding the LCM. Let's begin with 5. 5 ones are 5 and 9 we bring down as it is. Then we continue. This time we can use 3. 1 I bring it down as it is. 3 threes are 9. Now continue with 3 again. 1, 3 ones are 3. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 5 into 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. So 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45. So our LCM is 45. So that is going to be the common denominator. Now the first fraction denominator is 5. 5 into 9 is 45. So multiply 4 also by 9. 4 nines are 36. Minus. Next fraction. 9 into 5 is 45. So multiply 2 into 5. 2 fives are 10. So 36 minus 10 is 26. 26 by 45. Now 26 by 45 cannot be reduced further because there is no common factor between these two numbers. So our final answer itself is 26 by 45. Question 7. Subtract minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 11. So let's write minus 6 by 11 first. Then we write minus. And since we all have one more minus sign, I'm putting the brackets. Minus 4 by 7. So here we have to continue with this now, minus 6 by 11 first. Now let's look at the sign before the bracket. It's minus. So when you remove the brackets, change the sign. This will become plus. So plus 4 by 7. Now let's find the LCM of 11 and 7 because they are unlike fractions. So we'll use 11 first. 11 ones are 11 and then you bring down 7. Now we can use 7. 7 ones are 7. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 11 into 7. 11 sevens are 77. So we're going to use 77 as the common denominator. Look at the first fraction. 11 into 7 is 77. So multiply minus 6 into 7. Minus 6 into 7 is minus 42. 6 sevens are 42. Plus, go to the next fraction. Denominator is 7. Multiply this by 11. So multiply 4 also by 11. 4 11s are 44. Now we have two numbers with different signs. One is a minus sign, one is a plus sign. When signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 44 minus 42 is 2. 2 by 77. So this is our answer, 2 by 77. Question 4, find the value of, and the first one here is 1 by 2 of 10 kgs. Now of will stand for multiplication. In Bodmer's we saw that, isn't it? BO, where of means multiplication. So 1 by 2 of 10 kgs or half of 10 kg. Okay, so here let's do this. So 1 by 2 of means into 10 kg. So we write 10 kg. So this is like a normal multiplication. We'll give this the denominator 1 and see if we can cancel something. We can cancel 2 and 10. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So what do we have in the numerator now? We have 1 into 5 and in the denominator we have 1 into 1. So here this is kg. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 kg by 1, or our final answer is simply 5 kg. 3 by 5 of 1 hour. So here we've been asked to find 3/5 of 1 hour. So let's write 3 by 5. Instead of we're writing multiplication, and 1 hour we will convert it to minutes. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So here we'll say 3 by 5 into 60 minutes. Now let's see what we can cancel. We can cancel 5 and 60. 5 ones are 5 and 5 12s are 60. Now we can multiply the numerators. Remember here the denominator is 1. So the numerators will be 3 into 12 and denominator is 1 into 1 and this is minutes. Okay, so here what do we get? Multiply the numerators 3 into 12, 36 by 1 minutes, or simply our answer is 36 minutes. So 3/5 of 1 hour is 36 minutes. Next one, 4/7 of 2, 1 by 3 kg. So 4 by 7 of is into, now let's convert to 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3 kg. Now let's cancel. Here we can cancel 7 and 7. 7 and 7 are cancelled. So what do we have? Now we just have in the numerator. So numerator will be 4 into 1. The numerators that we have 4 into 1, and in the denominator 1 into 3, and this is kg. 4 ones are 4 and 1 threes are 3. That is 4 by 3 kg, or we can convert it 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 1, and this we can write as 1 by 3. So our final answer here is 1 by 3 kg. So this is our answer. Question 4, 3 1 by 2 times of 2 meters. That means 3.5 times of 2 meters. So let's convert this 3.5. 2 threes are 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 2 times of, that means into 2 meters. So we can leave it as 2 itself, 2 meters. The denominator is 1, so this is 2 meters. What can we cancel? We can cancel 2 and 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So in the numerator, what do we have? We have 7 into 1, and in the denominator we have 1 into 1, and this is meters. So 7 ones are 7, 1 ones are 1. 7 by 1 meter is equal to 7 meters. Question 5. 1 by 2 of 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 or half of will be into, let's convert this. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3. So here let's cancel. We can cancel 2 and 8. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So that's it. We can't cancel anything more. In the numerator we have 1 into 4, and in the denominator we have 1 into 3. So this is 4 by 3, improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. 3 ones are 3 minus 1. So this will be 1 by 3. So what is our answer here? 1 by 3. Question 6. 5 by 11 of 4 by 5 of 22 kgs. Okay, so let's work that out. 5 by 11 of means into 4 by 5, again of into 22 kg. So that will be 22 by 1 kg. Okay, let's cancel. So here I can cancel 5 and 5. And I can cancel 11 and 22. 11 ones and 11 twos are 22. So here, is there anything else that we can cancel? There's nothing else. So let's write what's in the numerator. We have 4 into 2. And in the denominator, we have 1 into 1 kg. So 4 twos are 8. 8 by 1 kg, which is equal to 8 kg. So this is our answer. Question 5. Simplify and reduce to a simple fraction. So question 1 here is 3 by 3 by 4. That means 3 divided by 3 by 4. So we can rewrite that question this way. We can say 3 divided by 3 by 4. So this will be 3 by 1 divided by, now let's convert this. 4 threes are 12 plus 3 is 15. So that is 15 by 4. 15 by 4. So now this is division. We're going to work it out as division sum. 3 by 1. Then division changes to multiplication. 15 by 4 becomes the reciprocal 4 by 15. Now here we can cancel. We can cancel 3 and 15. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So here what do we have? We have 1 into 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 into 5. So 1 fours are 4, and in the denominator 1 fives are 5. So our answer is 4 by 5. Question 2, 3 by 5 divided by 7. So let's rewrite that question. 3 by 5 divided by 7. And we can make this 7 by 1. So this will be 3 by 5 into 1 by 7. There's nothing that we can cancel. So we multiply the numerators 3 into 1 and 5 into 7. 3 ones are 3 and 5 sevens are 35. So our answer here is 3 by 35. Question 3. 3 by 5 by 7. So this will be 3 divided by 5 by 7. So we'll make this 3 by 1. So this becomes 3 by 1 into 7 by 5. So 3 into 7 you can directly multiply or you can write it separately. 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21 and 1 fives are 5. As you can see, this is an improper fraction. We'll convert it to a mixed number. 21 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20 minus 1. Now this we can write it as 4 1 by 5. So here our answer will be 4 1 by 5. Question 4. Here we have 2 1 by 5 by 1 1 by 10. So 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 10. So here first let's convert both these mixed numbers. 5 twos are 10 plus 1 is 11. So that will be 11 by 5 divided by, now the other side we have 10 into 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11 again. So here we have 11 by 10. So this will be 11 by 5 into 10 by 11, the reciprocal. And here let's see what we can cancel. We can cancel 11 and 11. We can also cancel 5 and 10. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So in the numerator we have 2, denominator we have 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So our answer to this question is 2. Question 5. 2 by 5 of 6 by 11 into 1 1 by 4. We have two operations, of and multiplication. So BODMAS, let's see what BODMAS tells us. BODMAS. So this is the order we should follow when we have many operations. Here in this question we have 2. So according to BODMAS, we must start with brackets, then do of, which is multiplication, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now the two operations we have are of and multiplication, and according to BODMAS we must do of first. That means we need to do this first. So let's do that. 2 by 5, of means into 6 by 11. Is there anything that we can cancel? There's nothing that we can cancel. So we just multiply the numerators. 2 6 are 12 and the denominators 5 11s are 55. So we've done that first. So let's write that down. 12 by 55 into 1 1 by 4. Now let's convert this 1 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. So that will become 5 by 4. So 12 by 55 into 5 by 4. Now we can cancel. I can cancel 5 and 55. 5 ones are 5. 5 11s are 55. I can cancel 4 and 12. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Now let's multiply the numerators. 3 into 1 is 3 and denominators 11 into 1 is 11. So 3 by 11. This is our answer. Question 6. 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. So we have division and multiplication. According to BODMAS, D comes first, isn't it? So we have to do division first. So here we're going to do this part first. So let's do that here. 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7. First conversion, 4 twos are 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7. 9 by 4 into 7 by 1. Nothing to be cancelled, so we multiply 7 nines are 63 and 4 ones are 4. So let's write that there. So here we have 63 by 4 into 1 by 3. Now we can cancel 3 and 63. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. That means 3 into 21 is 63. So now let's multiply what is in the numerators. Numerator we have 21 into 1 and denominator we have 4 into 1. So this becomes 21 by 4, which is a name proper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. Divide 21 by 4. 4 fives are 20 minus 1. So what is our mixed number here? 5, 1 by 4. So that is our answer. 5, 1 by 4. Question 7. So here, as you can see, we have multiplication, division and multiplication again. So according to Bodmer's, we have to do division first. That means this is what we need to work on, this part of it. Okay, so the first part will remain the same. 1 by 3 will be as it is. Then we have into. Now let's work out 4 2 by 3 divided by 3 1 by 2. First step is conversion. 3 fours are 12 plus 2 14. So that is 14 by 3 divided by, convert here, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. So this is 14 by 3 into 2 by 7. And we can cancel 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Now let's multiply the numerators. 2 twos are 4 and the denominators 3 ones are 3. The 4 by 3 will leave it as it is and let's write it here. So this becomes 4 by 3. Now let's write the next one into 1 by 2. So now here what can we cancel? We can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So in the numerator, what do we have now? We have 1 into 2 into 1. And in the denominator, we have 3 into 3 into 1. So now let's multiply and see what we get. 1 twos are 2, 2 ones are 2. Denominator 3 threes are 9, 9 ones are 9. So what is our answer? 2 by 9. Question 8, we have multiplication, division and OF. We have 3 operations. Now, which is the order to follow? Bodmer's will help us decide which order to follow. So, according to Bodmer's, we have to work out in this order. And what are the 3 operations in our question? We have multiplication, then we have division and we have OF. So, according to Bodmer's, we should do OF first. That means we need to work out this. So the rest of it, we'll write it as it is. That is 2 by 3 into, now let's convert. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 4 divided by, now we need to work out this and put that answer there. So 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. So 3 by 7 of will change to multiplication. That's the meaning of of. Now here let's convert. 8 twos are 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 by 8. Is there something we can cancel? Yes, we can cancel 7 and 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Now we have to multiply the numerators. We get 3 threes are 9 and the denominators 1 eights are 8. So we've got 9 by 8. We'll write it as it is now. So here we write 9 by 8. So we finished with of. Now we have multiplication and division. We have to do division now. So let's divide 5 by 4 by 9 by 8. So that is 5 by 4 into 8 by 9. Now cancel 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Now multiply 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10 and 1 into 9, that is 9. So here what do we have? Let's put it down here. 2 by 3 into 10 by 9. Now here we have nothing to cancel. So let's multiply the numerators. 2 into 10 is 20 and the denominators 3 into 9. 3 nines are 27. So what is our answer? 20 by 27. Question 9. 0 divided by 8 by 12. So this becomes 0 into 11 by 8. Now we know that when you multiply any number by 0, your answer will be 0. So the answer to this question is also 0. Question 10, we have division and off. And according to Bodmer's, we should do off first. So let's do that. So we're going to do off, that is 7 by 15, off 8 by 9. So this is 7 by 15 off is into, and 8 by 9. Is there something that we can cancel? There's nothing. So we're going to multiply 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. And 15 into 9, which is 135. So let's write that here. So this is 4 by 5 divided by 56 by 135. So 4 by 5 into 135 divided by 56, the reciprocal. Now we can cancel 4 and 56 and 135 and 5. So 4 ones are 4. Now here also 4 ones are 4. What is remaining? 1. So it becomes 16. 4 fours are 16. That means 4 into 14 will give us 56. Similarly, we can cancel for 5 and 135 also. 5 ones are 5. Now 135, take 13, only 13. So 5 twos are 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. So we put 3 there, 35. 5 sevens are 35. So 5 into 27 is 135. You can also do division and get this 27. So now we multiply the numerators. 1 into 27 is 27 and the denominators 1 into 14 is 14. Now this is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. 27 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28, which we cannot write here. So 14 ones are 14. Now let's subtract this. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what do we get here? 1, 13 by 14. That's our answer. 1, 13 by 14. Question 11. Now here what do we have? We have division and we have multiplication. According to Bodmer's, we must do division first. So let's work out this division sum, that is 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15. So this is 4 by 5 into reciprocal 15 by 7. Cancelling, we can do 5 and 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now multiply the numerators. 4 into 3, 4 threes are 12, and the denominators 1 into 7, 1 sevens are 7. So we'll write it as it is now. So this is 12 by 7 into 8 by 9. Now what can we cancel here? We can cancel 9 and 12. Both are in the tables of 3. So 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. Is there anything else that we can cancel? No, there's nothing else. So we'll multiply the numerators. 4 eights are 32 and the denominators 7 threes are 21. 32 by 21. It is an improper fraction. Now let's convert it to a mixed number by dividing 32 by 21. 21 ones are 21 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So here it is 111 by 21. So what is our answer? 111 by 21. This is our final answer. Question 12. So here what are the operations? We have off and division. According to Bodmer's, off should be done first. So let's do this. 4 by 5 of 7 by 15. 4 by 5 of 7 by 15. So 4 by 5 off is multiplication. 7 by 15. Is there anything that we can cancel? No, there's nothing. So let's multiply the numerators. 4 sevens are 28 and the denominators 5 into 15, 75. So let's write that here. We got 28 by 75 divided by 8 by 9. So this will be 28 by 75 into reciprocal 9 by 8. Now we can cancel 8 and 28. We can do it by 2. We can also do it by 4. So let's take the highest common factor, which is 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 7s are 28. Then we can also cancel 75 and 9 both by 3. So here we have 3 3s are 9, and here 3 into what is 75? 3 into 25 is 75. Now there's nothing more to cancel, so let's multiply the numerators. 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21, and the denominators 25 into 2, that is 50. 21 by 50. Question 13. Here we have of, multiplication and division. So according to Bodmer's, we must do of first, then division and then multiplication. So first let's do this portion. 1 by 2 of 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 of 3 by 4. This is 1 by 2 of is multiplication and 3 by 4. There's nothing to be cancelled, so we'll multiply the numerators. 1 into 3 is 3 and the denominators 2 4s are 8. So here we have 3 by 8, and we'll write the rest as it is, into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. So now we have multiplication and division, and we have to do division before multiplication. So let's do that. So that is 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. So this will be 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now here also there's nothing to cancel, so we multiply the numerators. 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 2s are 4. So we have 3 by 4. So let's write that 3 by 8 into 3 by 4. So here, is there anything that we can cancel? There isn't anything, so we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So what do we get here? 3 3s are 9 and 8 4s are 32. So our answer is 9 by 32. So we'll stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.